Hey, so today I'm going to walk you through the Nomad interior that we make. But if this is your first time finding Simple Vans on YouTube and you don't know anything about us, you can watch this video here to find out more about the concept of Simple Vans. Quickly, we make flat pack furniture so you can easily and quickly make your own camper van. If you like this in French, click here and let's get in and show you the Nomad. So the Nomad is optimized for maximum storage space. This is our one that we've made for the people who want to go on big road trips and get away and see everything. So everything is based around our B120 bed. We'll get into this later. We have the A4 unit on the side that has even more storage than the others. And at the end here, you can see the front unit, the C5. We've also packed in a couple of extras, like the D5 storage at the top and the other top shelf, the D1 on the top here. Now let's get into detail and show you more about each one of these units. Okay, so everything is based around the sliding bed, which pulls out to be 120, or in an expert like this one, or a jumpy, 112. This bed we've taken back to the drawing board for 2024, and we've redesigned everything from the base so that we can put drawers in the bed. Many people requested drawers, and I can totally see why. These are amazing. You have so much access to all of your stuff underneath. So we have one drawer here, and we have one drawer here. These are optional extras that you can put on top of your kit. These are the D6 and the D7. The main part about this bed is how effective it makes the whole area to use. So it's really quick and simple to set up into bed mode. But just before I make it into a bed, I want to show you little details like this here. This catch stops the mattress falling out and the bed sliding as you're driving around like a race car driver. The beauty of this product is how quick and easy it is to use. Okay, so this bed, I would say 30 seconds to get it from day mode into bed mode. Here we go. Slide it out. Slide out your second one. The more pillows you have, the longer it takes. And then as simple as this, and then you're ready to go. The mattresses we have with these, you can take all the covers off. So you can even just use these as sheets and take them off and rewash them if you're after that. That makes it even quicker. In the Peugeot Expert, the Jumpy, these types of vans, the bed, the maximum length is 180. Sadly, we can't come any further back than the edge here. In the vans, such as a T5, a Ford Custom, a Renault Traffic, you can use the extension and make the bed in the Nomad up to 187. The width of the bed, again, in the Expert Jumpy, it's a little bit slimmer. It's 112 centimeters wide. Just for reference, in a VW California that costs 80 grand, the bed is 112 centimeters wide. So it's not a compromise, it totally works. In a T5 and a Traffic, you can get a 120 bed. And in a Ford Custom, you actually do have to use our larger bed, which is 130. Moving on to the side unit, this one is the largest in our range. This is the A4. This has the most amount of storage that we think is possible in a small size van. There's 5 doors to access everything, 3 of which you can get up when the bed is opened up. I think that's a massive thing which is overlooked in van design. We have nice little push locks and nice little rounded corners just to add some design elements. Another great thing about the A4 is this big table that just pulls out easily, just like the other ones in the range. But this one is huge. It really is a large table. So if you're working on a computer or something, this is all the space you need. If it's a bit rainy and there's a couple of you want to sit around the table and eat, you can always pull out the bed to make an L shape. Now 2 of you can comfortably get around here. We do have an extra cushion available for this part of the bed to make the seat even more comfortable. And if you come around the other side, I'll show you the storage from the other side. Okay, so the extra space in the A4 unit gives us this part which comes out in the sliding door. This we are using for water storage, so you can get the maximum amount of water. It's really easy to get in and out of here. We have sinks which are available with our kits. We recommend that you put it either here or the side in here. You can put them at the back, but you cannot get as much water storage in them. If you're going to fit some electrics in there, like a full electric install with a battery, you can put your USB ports and things up here. That's what we've seen a lot of people do, and we recommend that space. If it's rainy and you want to get access, we've thought about that. You have this door to have the access from the inside of the van as well. The last unit of the kit is this C5 unit here. This up here is a D5, it's an optional extra, and we'll come to that in a minute. This is your kitchen setup in your van. So you can have a cool box underneath, like this MobiCool FR40, or you can get the brilliant Carbest fridges in there. That's what we recommend is the fridge. Up here, we're optimizing all the space in this small van by giving you a pull-out drawer as a kitchen. So you have even more work surface to work on to chop your vegetables and prepare your food. And the cooker is available while the bed is still out. So you can make your morning coffee, a cup of tea, or your porridge if it's a little cold outside. A big focus for 2024 was to add a bunch of accessories which you can add to any kit you have to maximize and optimize your van. This one is the D5 top unit, and actually it's brilliant if you don't want to do a big electrical install and you just want to buy a battery Nomad. We recommend the EcoFlows, and they just drop in perfectly here. So you get a little bit of extra storage and you can cut it in to suit your van perfectly. The original accessory that we had was this beautiful little top shelf. It just has that little bit of extra storage you need for your books and the things you want easily accessible. You can throw your phone up there while it's charging at night, things like that. So that's it for the walk around the Kit Nomad. This van can be built in just a weekend with these units. We deliver them right to your door, and you can choose to do the finishing with painting, with varnish, with oil, so you get to choose how your van looks. The whole kit only weighs 60 kilos, which is amazing. If you want to find out more about Simple Vans, watch more of our videos. Here you can see how we put together this kit, so you can go a bit further. And if you want to know about the other kits that we offer or other units we offer, please go check out the website, simplevans.eu.